In this video, I will show you how to lock Play Store in your Android device. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Simply start by opening your Play Store app. Once it's open, all you have to do is just search for App Lock Sailing Lab. You can see the spelling. So once you search for it, you are going to see the app. You can see that the app is having 100 million downloads. So this is the exact app. You need to make sure that there is Sailing Lab focus on security before you actually install the app, because this is the exact app that you need. So once you've located this app, all you have to do now is just install the app. Alright, once you are done installing this app, click on open. Now it's going to load up a little bit. Once it's done loading up, it's going to ask you to impute a pattern. So just put any pattern that you know you are not going to forget and then confirm your pattern. Once you are done, pick a lucky number. Now this lucky number is just a number that you'll be able to use whenever you forget your password or you forget your pattern. So for my lucky number, I'm going to be using 2526. So once done, it's going to open up like this. So what you have to do now is simply unselect all the app here, because obviously you don't want to lock all this app. The only thing you are locking right now is your Play Store. So you are going to have to look for your Play Store app. So you can see it over here, Google Play Store. So select your Google Play Store and then click on one tap lock below. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you for three permissions. So just follow my step. So click on this first one, turn it on. It's going to take you to your settings. Simply look for app lock and then also turn it on in your settings. Click on the second one, it's the same thing again. Look for your app lock, turn it on, and then this third one, just click on it and then click on allow. So once you do this, it's going to show you this 3 days free trial. So all you have to do is just click on this cancel icon that you can see at the top left corner and then cancel again. Now the interface is fully open. As you can see, there is the app lock section over here. So just click on it. Normally it's going to play an ad because this app is free. So once it's done playing the ad, it's going to open up the complete interface. Now as you can see, the complete interface is open and you can see that Google Play Store is actually locked. So if you want to unlock it, all you have to do is just click on this lock icon and it's going to unlock. So I don't want to unlock it. I want to show you guys that it's actually working now. So let's open my Play Store app. So if you are to click on Play Store, you see that it's actually going to ask for my fingerprint or ask for my pattern. So once I impute any of that, it's going to open up my Play Store. So this trick actually works like magic. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.